with a brand new pizza. It says that it is the ultimate pizza. So I wanted to know whether this ultimate pizza would beat Freschetta in a taste test. If I made some Wild Mike's pizza, would that give you some PTSD?
I'm pretty sure that one has no sauce in it at all. So no.
The perforated edges. Let's see if I can do it this time. Wait. Wild Mike might have an advantage over Freschetta. All right. Oh. What? All right. First of all, it looks like this. And it's got little packets called Italian spice.
No, one says red pepper.
So I'm gonna barehand it. Uh-oh. Yeah, if this is ultimate pepperoni, I'm not sure. My confidence level in this pizza is around a 5 out of 10.
I mean, it's not even flat enough to hit the pan all in one spot.
It's not. It like...
Well, maybe once it thaws up a little bit, it'll settle down.
See? It's a seesaw. The box is easier to get into. The pizza looks like it's a smidge bigger. I think it has more pepperoni. And we're going to put it on a pan that we've never cooked in. So, little unfair advantage there for Wild Mike. For softer crust, place pizza on pan and cook an additional 2 minutes. So it says bake pizza 12 to 16
longer?
minutes. Yep.
I guess it's saying the heat can't get to the pan as easy.
I guess 12 to 16 minutes. I don't know. I guess we'll put it on 14 and see what it looks like, and then see if we need more time. Okay, let's see here. So, not ready at all. The pepperonis have just started sweating, and that is not brown at all. Remember when my theory was that this was a possible 5 out of 10? I think that it's gone down as I've seen it bake. It just does not look as appetizing as a Freschetta pizza. I don't know, Wild Mike. You might disappoint me. It was in there for 20 minutes. Let's see if we can get it from the pan. Oh, there we go. Yes. I'm pretty good at that.
It's hot.
Okay.
I'm triggered.
He always has to add something.
Hot.
It's what?
Hot. Limp.
Okay, first of all, it's limp. It's a limp biscuit. Freschetta was not a limp biscuit. But Wild Mike is a limp biscuit. No wonder they claim you have to hold it with 2 hands. You're holding the one and only Wild Mike's pizza. If you've had one before, you know to hold on with both hands because it's wild. No, you know to hold on with both hands because it's limp. Come back on Wednesday to find out whether we like it or not. Are we wild about Wild Mike's pizza? Or just meh? Stick around for the cut scenes. It definitely needed that extra couple minutes. So it was in there for 20 minutes. Really, Ice Babies? I mean, it sure doesn't look like it has sauce. All right, let's
I mean, it's got a font like a kindergartner. It's got a drawing like a kindergartner.
I mean, but here, it's couldn't have been any bigger in the box. I wish that all of them would have the perforated edge all the way around. That way you could just open it up at any and you didn't have to really investigate. You could get t-shirts from Wild Mike for just $9 plus $5.95 for shipping and handling.
See how his pizza is first before I buy a shirt.
I don't. Well, one of them says get some.